We really enjoyed our time at Foa Island and ended up spending 7 days there. But there was a lot of the Haapai Group left to see, so it was time to get moving. We followed our friends on Whistler, a beautiful Antares 44 catamaran, out the windy path through the reef with the plan of sailing about 14 miles down to the island of Uoleva.
We've got a fish on.
Come on out, babe.
Somewhere out there.
For those keeping track, fish number 3 for the season. Almost completely totaled our record last year. This guy was pretty small though.
Yeah, we may not keep him.
He's a thrower backer. Man, you were a little ambitious there, Mr. Fish. That is a big lure for you.
That is a big lure for him.
Hey, you will hold still. We will let you go.
No, you didn't even need it.
Not too bad, eh?
Yeah.
Be free, little man.
Belly flop.
Wow. So I know it's super crazy backlit, but since we left at the same time as Whistler, it's always a race where you're going. So far, we're doing okay. And where's Whistler?
Whistler is
Oh, are they back there? Oh, there they are. Well, I guess that means we won.
We did win, I suppose.
Should have bet him a beer or two.
2 boats going the same direction. We got a race.
It's always a race.
Yeah, but no whale sightings. Only caught 1 fish that was a tosser backer, so
Oh well, now we can just enjoy another beautiful spot.
yeah. Cruising is fixing a boat in exotic locations.
Yeah, we went out snorkeling and noticed there's like some cracks in our fuel tank for the dinghy. So we're in the Haapai Group. There is nothing here to be able to replace that with. So I'm gonna mix up a little epoxy, kind of seal that up, and then when we get to Fiji, we will replace it.
Alrighty.
With my temporary fix complete, it was time to go play.
Where are we? What are we doing? Standard questions.
Yes. We are on Uoleva Island, which has a few resorts on it, but no villages or anything. And it is a gorgeous anchorage. And so we're walking the beach. We're gonna walk like, I think half the island, and then there's a cut through along the narrow side. So
It's actually really funny how few places we've been to that just have like pure sand beaches.
yeah, it's
And
like
this is one of them.
there's like seagrass or there's rocks or coral, but like this beach is all gorgeous sand
It's pretty awesome.
and beautiful water. And we're all alone.
Check, check, check.
Yeah. And there's a bar.
We're getting the real essentials in life there.
A little limited cellular connection though, so you know.
Can't win them all.
There were these little sand crabs everywhere, and after seeing several of them take off, I figured they'd be a good running partner. Running through the sand is hard work, so we found some shade and broke out our gourmet picnic lunch.
We were about to reap the benefits of Amy turning Starry Horizons into her own pizzeria.
Pepperoni pizza for you.
Delish.
Sun-dried tomato, sauteed onions, and caper for me.
Like I said, a legit pizzeria. We found the edge of the island.
We did. This
Okay.
is the part you have to do at low tide.
Yeah, as I say, you look at that and whew, not a lot of beach showing right there.
No, you can see the high water mark. There's like a little cliff of sand. It's pretty neat.
And lots of driftwood. Need to come back and have a bonfire down here.
We have no buddy boats to bonfire with. Jose and Gina, where are you when we need you?
Couch sailors, get your shit together.
Oh yeah, they're in Fiji waiting for us, huh?
I guess we need to get our shit together.
We have so many friends in Fiji, like why are we behind? I think I'm okay with it.
Yeah, you gotta enjoy Tonga a little bit.
Yeah.
Having fun in there?
Always. Always having fun.
And those rocks back there just kind of look like they were picked up and thrown here, huh?
Yeah, really interesting rocky terrain.
So we are on the windward side of the island.
Yeah.
Kind of wonder if like big storms roll through and then boom. This is what gets left.
Rocks and snails. It's all just rocks and snails.
That's what life boils down to, huh?
There were quite a few of these larger crabs, either pretending they couldn't see us or doing a bad job of hiding. We soon learned why.
You're not as hidden as you think you are, dude.
Oh my god, David, look at that. It's an eel. With a crab. Holy shit.
Whoa, what just happened?
You can still see it. It's an eel and it's swimming with like one of these crabs in its jaws.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Like a reef eel. Like what the hell is it doing out of the reef? That
Well,
was
looking for a crab dinner, apparently.
slightly terrifying. Oh my god.
Nature is effing lit.
Yes, she is.
Good thing you didn't mistake your toes.
Yeah, no kidding. No wonder that crab is hiding so well.
Yeah.
I'm like,
They're not scared of us, they're scared of the eels.
yeah.
We have been walking on the beach for about 3 hours now. Absolutely gorgeous, but there's a nice little shaded path back across the island. So we're gonna take that to wrap up our hike. So after a 3-hour hike on the beach, gotta come back, get a drink.
And a cold beverage.
That's the way to do a day, I tell you. You look like you're about to get up to some mischief.
Yeah, so I've never hopped out of the kayak before, and definitely never hopped back into the kayak from the water. So, yeah, it's gonna be a little special. Although I'm hesitating because there's a bunch of crap in the water right now.
I'll be by you in 2 seconds.
I'm thinking just one swift motion. Quick like a cat, quick like a cat, quick like a cat. Oh yeah. Ah!
So, call you a special cat.
Now, will you be a deer and put the ladder down for me?
Oh, you want to get up on this boat, do you?
I do want to get up on this boat.
Okay, fine.
Ugh.
We've got some pretty strong winds in the forecast for later this week, so we are moving around to a bit more of a protected anchorage. How's it looking, Admiral?
It's good. We're going through a pass between 2 islands. Actually, it's a break in the external barrier reef that we have here in the Lufuka group. So, yeah.
3 knots of current rushing through
3
here.
knots of current, but we're making our
Woo.
turn now, so we're going to be with the current.
Look at that. You can see a little bit of white capping. There's the break.
There's actually markers.
Amazingly enough.
It was just a short 4-mile jump over to Tatafa. The island has a unique sand spit, which is visible at low tide, so of course, Amy wanted to go out and explore.
My intrepid explorer has returned.
I have returned. Just before rain, hopefully. I had to repurpose some garbage because I found so many cool things that I wanted to show you. And one that you may think is a little crazy.
No, probably. Yay, doing things one-handed.
You could put the camera down.
Nope.
Nope, not an option.
Can't ever do that.
What? Okay.
Whoa.
Ninja skills. Some of these are delicate, so I'm just going to put it here. And you're not allowed to touch it until I explain something to you.
Oh, I suppose I'll just get out of the way, huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
Sorry everyone, no Amy falling in the water today.
Was that why you were filming?
Oh yeah.
So mean.
The eternal hope.
We had another glorious anchorage all to ourselves, and yet it seems like there never fails to be another boat project to work on. Just so you don't think it is all fun and games while we're out here cruising, I am down in our head today doing some work. Our toilet has been a little reluctant to fill with water quickly, so I am taking a look at the freshwater solenoid that I had installed to convert the heads to freshwater flushing. Of course, it's in a rather difficult to get to location down here under the sink. Grab the light. There you go. It's the brown thing on the right hand side of the water pump. So I took that off, got it all cleaned up, removed a little corrosion from the electrical connectors. Seems like it's working a little better. Keep our fingers crossed on that one. So while I was downstairs working, what'd you bring back for us?
Brought back a coconut.
Oh my goodness.
A big one.
That is a massive coconut.
I think it's bigger than my head, yeah?
Yes, that is most definitely bigger than your head.
So I've got the ends flattened out and down to the nut here. So, yeah. Not really sure what to do next.
But I have a video of you talking about how to prepare a coconut.
But that was one that had been husked. This one has not been husked. And I'm not sure if I'm far enough down with the green, actually. Actually, you know what we should do? We should get out the screwdriver like Frank did. And let it
drill
be.
through it?
Drill, yeah. Hey, it works.
Okay, if you clean the drill. Oh, you have power tools now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Getting a little serious about drinking coconuts.
Ha! No breaking things.
No breaking the power tools?
That would be unfortunate.
Yeah, it would be. Well, there we go. Cracked it.
You're not trying to drill through it?
Well, I can see the meat now. I guess let me give it another rinse off. Alright, now I just need a straw. And I get my delicious beverage of choice.
Got the straw. Deliver said straw.
Ooh, that did good. I have a funny story about getting this coconut, actually. There was like a coconut tree that was probably like 40 degrees from the ground, and there was another tree that was like against it, and I thought, oh, I can like climb this, and oh, here's a stick with a hook, and maybe I can get one off. So I spent like 20 minutes trying to climb it, and then I gave up. And then I walked along the beach, and there's a coconut tree like 5 feet off the ground. Like a light bulb, right off.
So one thing about the Hapais that's not quite so good is there is not a whole lot of protection if the wind swings around anywhere other than from the eastish. So today it's been blowing from the south. Anchorage isn't all that protected, so it's been very swelly in here. But we got something that's making up for it. How is that sunset out there?
It is awesome.
Holy cow, that's pretty amazing, huh?
Setting right behind, I think Tofua is the name of the dormant volcano, or Koa, I can't remember which one. One's dormant, one's active, and the big tall one is the dormant one, and that's the one that the sun is setting right behind. It's awesome.
Yeah, it looks like it is literally exploding over there on the horizon. If we didn't know that's where the sun was setting, I'd be a little concerned. We couldn't believe how few cruisers there were in the Haapai Group, but we soon got a visit by some special new neighbors, humpback whales. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our second Haapai video. Make sure you stick around for the next one because we've got a pretty amazing whale encounter coming up. But above all, we want to say, guys, thank you so much for following along in 2017. It was just such an awesome year, and to be able to share that with you just made it so incredibly special.
It did. And 2018 is going to be awesome. We are headed up to Southeast Asia, and it's going to be amazing, and we can't wait to share it with you. In the meantime, happy holidays, and thanks for watching.